Hey everybody, it's Mike here, Mike's Drones and More. And guys, today in the mail, finally, the drone drop. This is actually the drone drop for March, not in April. But I guess they had some issues with customs or something like that. So this again is the March 2008, not the April. The April will be coming soon. Drone drop box. So let's go ahead and aim the camera down, take a look, and let's see what's in this guy. Alright, so here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and get my trusty little Gerber knife out, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. So I did not pre-open this. I wanted to share it with you guys, so it's a surprise for all of us. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, and here we go. So right off the top here, looks like they have included another 3 packs of the Dow Prop Cyclones. These are the T50 5040Cs. I love these. I run these pretty much on all of my quads, and these things are freaking awesome. You get you get 3 sets of props, so that's freaking awesome. So I love those props. Those run about $4 a piece in the like on Get FPV. So next thing is, looks like we got a couple of newbie drone battery straps. These are freaking awesome. I'll kind of show you guys this. Kind of like that gel that keeps your batteries from slipping, so that's pretty freaking nice. You get 2 of these. I'm not sure how much these run on their site, but I know they make really nice battery straps, so that's freaking cool. I will be definitely using these. Okay, so we have lipo condom. So this is pretty interesting. Let me grab my scissors here really quick. So these aren't actually like regular condoms. So what these are is they're basically your lipo batteries sit inside of them, and they basically protect them. So, but that's pretty awesome. That's pretty freaking hilarious. Looks like they give you a couple of little things. Oh yeah, like a charge history. So, and then they kind of just they open like this. I don't have any of these. I've never used them before. So this would be my first set of lipo condoms. But yeah, there you go. So you kind of like open them up, and then your battery just goes right in here. So you can kind of actually cut this to the size that you need. So it can go for smaller or larger batteries, which is this is pretty interesting, to say the least. Yeah. So let's see how many of these we get. We get 1, 2, 3 of those. Yeah, 3 lipo condoms. So that's definitely interesting. All right. Okay. So next, looks like we got some 50G welding flux paste. So I guess if you're using soldering wire that doesn't have flux in it, I guess this is good. So I'll keep this. You know, I might use it in the future or something, or I'll see if one of my buddies, FPV guys, I know they do a lot of soldering and stuff like that. So I think this is what the holdup was in the custom. So looks like they sent a set of 4 ESCs, so that's pretty freaking cool. And these are the Raptor BLS Pro 30 amp ESCs. So here's what they look like in the package. They're by Fly Color. So these are pretty nice. So let's open up one of these packages and let's see what it looks like on the inside. There we go. Which is cool because I still have those Emax motors, and I was thinking about actually making another 5-inch drone. So let me bring this up really close to the camera. There you guys can see. So these are actually like very small. They're smaller than those Racer Stars, which is pretty freaking cool. They look like pretty standard ESCs, which is nice. You got your positive, negative, and then you got your main lead here. So that's pretty freaking cool. That's not too bad. So I get a whole set of 4 of these. I'm not sure how much these run, so but that's definitely worth it, because I can use this to build a whole nother drone, which is freaking cool. And then let's see what else we get in here. So we get some new stickers. Every month you get a little package of stickers. So this one says Punch, Roll, Dive, Explore, Born to Dive, FPV is not a crime, Lipo Killer, Long Range, Dive 'em all, Dive City, so that's kind of cool. What's over here? So we got a couple of newbie drone stickers. These are freaking cool. Got a big one and a little one. And then we got a coupon, drone drop 10% coupon with a little QR code in it. And this is for 10% off China Hobby Line batteries. They do drone batteries. So that's kind of cool because actually I think Josh Bardwell did a review just recently on the CNHL Hobby Line batteries, and he said they were actually pretty good. So I might have to use this little coupon and definitely get at least one or two or more, because I need some more for my little Sky Stars. So yeah, so in this package here we got 4 ESCs, which is really nice. We got the newbie stickers, we got the drone drop stickers, we got the condoms. So yeah, always make sure you package up your your batteries. And then we got the newbie drone lipo, or not lipo, battery straps. Those are freaking cool. We got the flux, and then we got the 3 packages of the Cyclones, which is awesome because I absolutely freaking love these props. They are awesome. Yeah, I can't say enough about these dowel props. These things, I love them. I fly them on all of my drones, and yeah, they're just really nice. So guys, yeah, so this drone drop box was not too bad. It was worth the wait, I guess, for the ESCs, you know, so I can build another drone. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and there we go. All right, guys, so if you liked my unboxing of the March 2008, again, I know it's April, but March 2018 drone drop box, I will leave a link down below so you can go to Drone Drop if you're interested. It's a monthly subscription box. You pay a monthly fee and they send you a box, and obviously they send you all kinds of good stuff, like these props. I will definitely 100% be using these. Battery straps, you always need new battery straps. You never know when you're going to break one. Condom. You never know when you're going to need a battery condom. I can't stop laughing. These things are freaking awesome. These are hilarious. But I've been thinking about getting some of these to try them on my batteries to help protect them. Because usually the batteries, like this tattoo right here, they have like a thin coating of that plastic, so that doesn't necessarily really protect your battery all that good. So these just kind of like push right on it, so that's kind of cool. And then the ESCs, I'll definitely be using those ESCs because I've got those motors for the Emax, and now I've got some ESCs. So pretty much all I gotta do is just get a flight controller and whatever else, and I can build a whole nother drone, which is freaking nice. So yeah, I'm really happy with this box. So guys, thanks for tuning in to the unboxing of the March, not April, 2018 drone drop box. If you like the unboxing, if you like my channel, hit the thumbs up button for me. I would appreciate that. And if you want, you're more than welcome to hit the subscribe button. That's right down there. And if you want, the little bell next to it just lets you know when I've got new videos. I have a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays we do our live Q&A. So that's all I have for today, guys. So thank you very much for all your support, all the comments, all the viewers. Without you guys, there would be no channel. So thank you all very much. I appreciate that. And thank you especially to each and every one of my patrons. You know who you are, so thank you very much for your continued support, guys. I appreciate that. So yeah, so that's all I've got, guys, for this particular video. So thanks for hanging out and watching the video. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure to keep those drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.